perfect day for you today. Ocean bought a container. He's gonna make a storage workshop out of it. And then we're gonna put it right here. Let's see how this gonna work. All done. Set it up. You stoked? He's gonna be building all kinds of stuff in here. This guy was pro. There's cable on top, but he doesn't even touch it and managed to put the container right here. So good. Good afternoon. Josh came over to my place. Me and Takeo was working on my S15.
Yep, I came to distract you.
And he came. For what reason?
You needed your spacers back, so you're like threatening to like hurt me. So laughter.
Oh, straight. Oh, I gotta take you guys to bolt shop. It's cool. Coolest bolt, like hardware shop.
There's cool hardware stores in Japan? That's sick.
No, you trip. We're coming up and we're gonna get some lunch. Yeah, he brought a grower. We're gonna play some RC car. Is that an RC car?
Yeah. What do they call it? Rajicon. Radio controller. That's right?
Yeah.
Rajicon. They shortened it. Radio controller.
Rajicon. That's funny.
Yeah.
Well, I haven't been filming. What have I been doing? I've been just doing TD stuff at the shop and
Titty stuff?
TD stuff, yeah.
Sick.
Yeah.
That's always fun.
Funnest stuff, but
You've been
that's
busy,
why.
bro. I've been watching your vlogs and I realized how you're very not up to date with your status of the shop.
Yeah. Last time I filmed, I was changing roof. Roof is all changed. And what have I done? I've been just cleaning and making it cleaner.
Working on your S15, it seems like what you guys been doing.
Yeah. And worked on your car a little bit. That was like 2 weeks ago.
Dang, you're super behind, dude.
Yeah. Well, anyway, I'll update you guys when we get back to the shop. Well, let's go to the bolt hardware shop.
The nut shop.
Nut shop. Just park on the sidewalk. Right here. This is bro, it's jungle. It's jungle. This is
You're
the
bringing me, man.
this is the hardware shop.
Come out, my car's gonna be gone. I'm on the sidewalk. So
No, where I park. Just come in. It's the sickest hardware. This is the hardware shop. Trees coming out of the building. This hardware shop is crazy. Alright, we gotta go lunch first. Josh put 19 on this. Big wheel.
It's that big boy fitment. Oh, there's Nino.
I know. Whistle 3. After the S15, right into ramen shop. Hey, they close?
No.
Oh, okay. Alright, Niboshi Craft. I promise this is so good. One of my favorite.
Oh, dude. I don't have cash, bro.
Damn. Like that?
Dude,
Smooth like that?
bro, you know?
Damn.
I'm super smooth like that.
Gone.
Fire.
One of my favorite ramen. Walking back to hardware shop. This building is crazy.
It's probably like 100 years old, dude.
Covered. Let's see if the owner's here. We got the bag. Thank you.
Pachinko, let's go.
Pachinko. No. I will not get in that place. Alright, let's cross the road. Nope, we're gonna get hit by a bus. Ah, look at this loader. Perfect.
So nice.
2-car.
These are still like 3 mil with 400,000 kilometers.
I know. They go. They run so long.
I know, like 1 million kilometers, no problem.
Back at the shop. I got new arms and reinforced subframe. Just putting it back. Gotta put diff on the subframe and then put everything back. I just put manifolds down. Can you be quiet?
Sorry.
I was just bleeding the radiator. Alright, let's get this thing out of the garage. Got the subframe in. Put this tomorrow. Couldn't finish it today, but it'll be done. All done tomorrow. And I got a lot of parts in here, and doing makeover on this car. So tomorrow it will be fully different car. I hate this brown. Let's do it. I hate this Aero.
Why is the wheel stuck? Oh, broken.
Oh, you broke it.
Hey, you might be able to run it this low now.
Gotta make this car get the style point.
King, man.
Alright, I'll see you tomorrow. Yeah.
Bye. Maybe. I don't know. I'll try.
How's this LED though? Brightest.
Yeah, it's pretty good actually.
Super bright.
Pretty good.
Alright, shop is fully clean now. Top to bottom. Let's get all the work done. Today at the shop, I brought this white 34. Got it cleaned up. Yeah, we finished the car. We put all the rear end together. Exhaust mounted. So we're gonna drop the car and see. Before we work on the body, we're gonna put all the body kit on it. We're gonna drop it and see. Get the picture before. And we finished Jazz Manny. Install Jazz Manny. Sounds really good. You guys want to hear the jazz money? It made it so much responsive. Way better responsive. I don't know how this manifold makes it that much different, but I can't wait to drift it. And let's drop this car on the ground. Alright, let's start putting the new Aero on this thing. We got side skirt off. And I just moved front fender and look at how much rubber came out. Like poop. Alright, remove it will be easy.
You know what to do. Where do we go from here? Don't let it rule you.
We got the arrows and the headlight off. Look at that naked S15. There was a bunch of rubber. Dirty rubber. Let's start putting all the arrows. First, let me show you guys what they are. Well, let's unbox this first. So this is what I got. I got Origin Labo arrows, and this is their newest parts, shark vent. I don't know about it, but I guess. And this is their racing line front bumper. And I got Raijin side skirt and Raijin rear bumper. And front and rear, they're both 55 mil overs. I gotta trim a lot of stuff. Gotta cut this up and bolt this up. With both the fender, I need to cut it up. This gonna look really aggressive. Marking this up. Having Koji cut this up. We got this one. Got it. Super thin, so you can get that fitment. We got the brand new headlight mounted. Makes the whole car look a lot different. I don't want to get this wrap off yet, so I don't scratch it. I'll probably scratch taking it off on and off the front bumper, but you get the idea. I'm stoked. The bumper is huge. Side skirt is big. I'm starting to dig this what is it, shark vent. I wish they make this for rear fender. The smoke will come out of the vent. But what do you guys think about this kind of style? We'll see. But this took way longer than I expected. So I'll end the day with this. And let's finish it tomorrow. The rear fender's on, rear over's on. Holy, looking like a car. 55 mil does a lot. Looks so good. I'm so hyped. 55 mil rear and front. Coming along. So good. Gotta do this side. Don't have a wheel, barely just lower it with the jack. Super sketchy. Alright, finally this side. Last piece of this car is mounted. The rear over fender and rear bumper. And man, this car looks so aggressive. What do you guys think? I love this bumper. I love this whole Aero. I can't wait to paint it. What do you guys think of this transformation coming along so far? Whole new body kit, new headlight. Man, this car is completely different look now. Let's shut this hood. And let's get this dirty rag off the car. Yes, sir. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this new body kit I just threw on. And what do you guys think I should paint this car? What color I should paint it? And oh no, I already showed you guys, but new merch coming. I'll announce that in next video. So stay tuned. We already made 3 hats. It'll be the first merch, streetwise. So stay tuned and comment down below if you like it or not. Sorry I haven't been uploading too often, but I'll get back to filming. We got Cresta at the shop. I'll be working on it soon. Paint match it. This thing is too gangster. Big body, big wheel. But stay tuned with this too. Let's finish the video with the B-roll of this new kit.